So that's the real reason I left YouTube, if we're being honest here.
Tell a friend.
She's back. Is this thing even recording? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, I'm Shanice, aka Couture Shanz, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it feels like I haven't said that in ages.
Welcome back, girl. Do you mind telling us a little bit about yourself?
If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Shanice Jodian, formerly Couture Shanz, and I'm a 31-year-old boy mom, fashion designer, and entrepreneur with a zeal for content creation. Hence, I am sitting here now recording a YouTube video for you. A quick little backstory. I started my YouTube channel ages ago at like the height of the pandemic, and it was just my avenue of, just showcasing my personality and documenting memories of myself and just my journey in fashion design. Unfortunately, things happened and I had to, take a little break, and I took a 1-year break. So sad, I know, from YouTube. And it was a well-needed break, trust me. I feel like if I didn't take that break when I did, I probably wouldn't be here today to be recording a entire YouTube video for you. So I guess it all worked out in the end. So yeah, that's a little gist about Shanice. I'm just a fun-loving person. I really don't take life seriously, if I am being honest. The only thing I take in life seriously are my kids and my business. Anything else, I'm just all about the fun. I'm just all about having a good time, enjoying life, and just living life to its fullest. So that's really who Shanice is. Yeah.
Okay, tell us a little bit more about where you've been for the past year.
Where have I been? Well, your girl has been grinding non-stop. Even though I haven't been on YouTube, I have just been focusing on all my passions, all of my interests. I've been doing mom life. My boys are 5 and 6 now. They're all grown up and I can't wait for you to see them. Like, they are such fun kids and they have such big personalities that I'd love to incorporate them in my channel. So I'll be doing mom content, so look out for that. But personally, I have just been taking a step back to focus on Shanice because, listen, I don't take my mental health for granted. And at the time, I felt as if my mental health was not its best. And I just had to take a step back to focus on me. I started a journey to just basically learn more about myself, what my passions were, what my purpose in life was. And that led me to, basking in my season of entrepreneurship. So I went back to the drawing board as it related to my fashion design business. And I did a lot of changes, guys. I revamped my business entirely. So I just felt like I needed to step into, that role for that season, and I don't think YouTube would have afforded me the time that I needed to do that, the undivided attention, just 100%. My business needed me wholly, so I just had to step away for a little to focus on my business. As I said, my mental health, I kind of was in a little slump. The short and sweet of it is my mental health was at jeopardy because of so many things at play, so many things that I may not be able to disclose right now. But as time goes along, I hope I'll be able to open up a little bit more to my YouTube family and let you know what has been going on in my life. I don't use the word depression lightly, but I felt like I was in a place where I wasn't myself. So I had to just go and focus on that. I also started a journey towards, basking in my faith a little bit more. I have started to include like devotionals, prayers, just including God in my life more. I mean, he's always been in my life, but I felt like certain decisions in life, I did not consult the big man and I had to learn the hard way. So he's now like a major part of my life, and I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for him. So, all thanks to the big man above. And I have been working on my physical health too. So yes, mental health part, business good. I've been working on my physical health. As you know, I am a boy mom, and I felt like my postpartum body wasn't as hot. Let's just be honest, it wasn't as hot as I'd want it to be. So girl has been in the gym, I've been working out, I've been eating healthier. healthier, trying to, and like that's like the hardest part of my, you know, new lifestyle journey, like the eating, because if you know, I'm a fast food girly. I love my chicken, I love my pizza, I love everything fast food. So it was kind of hard to like break away from that lifestyle for a second, but trust me, it's worth it in the end, because I'm seeing so many great results, not only physically, because yes, I did lose a lot of weight, but mentally, like the mental clarity that working out provides, guys. I would implore anyone to, you know, do a little workout in the morning. You don't literally have to commit to the gym. You can do home workouts, because that's where I started as well, and it has been doing wonders for me. So yeah, a girl has just been focusing on herself, her businesses, and I started new businesses. Guys, listen, we need to catch up. We need to do a full length sit down, get to know me again video, because the girl has been doing it so much. But yes, in a nutshell, that is what I've been doing while I was away from YouTube.
Okay, love that. But I know everyone wants to know what the real reason is for leaving YouTube.
The real reason, you guys want to hear the real reason why I left YouTube? All right, so I left YouTube because your girl was a fake. Yeah, I was faking it. Trust me, I was not being my true authentic self, and I couldn't keep up anymore. So that's the real reason I left YouTube, if we're being honest here. So at the time of starting YouTube, I remember seeing so many of my peers just stepping into the online space on YouTube, just pushing out content, mainly lifestyle content. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of saw a certain genre being pushed more, so I kind of like tried to fit into that genre. And when I said genre, I meant the lifestyle aspect of YouTube. So like people are going out every weekend, they're going out to restaurants, they're revamping their wardrobes, they were shopping, they're doing all of these things that I thought I needed, but truth and in fact, I could have gone without all of those things. So I kind of went out on my way to do stuff that was outside of my character. For example, I'm really not a party girl, and I found myself going out a lot just to create content for YouTube, and it kind of led to burnout, because I literally felt drained after a while, because this was not me. I have to be going out, going to restaurants, like the same old boring restaurants, the same old boring food, spending money on all of those things, money that I really should not have been spending at the time. And as I said, it was kind of in an attempt to fit in to what the YouTube persona was at the time, and that's a big regret of mine, just not being my true authentic self and just staying in my lane, basically. Like, your girl was running outside of her lane, lick up in at people, everybody had tumble down. So that was one of the biggest regrets of my YouTube journey, is just not sticking to who I was innately. Shanice is a homebody. I love my house. I could stay here forever and not go outside. Mind you, me, I am down for a fun time, but I find ways to, you know, entertain myself at home. So I don't need a big crowd. I don't need to be on the scene. Like, I am content. I consider myself a loner in a sense, and people always find it weird how I really go, but I don't seem like this person that's stays in all the time and does nothing with her life. They think my life is eventful, but the things that are eventful for someone may not be the same for another person. Secondly, I was a mom. I don't think I show you guys enough of that side of me, like with my kids, and for many reasons too. One being security, and I'm someone who values privacy a lot, so I didn't want to put them out on the internet too much. And as a parent, you know how that is. But a part of me felt like I was holding back in that aspect, because you didn't get to see that side of me, or that side of us, or the bond that we shared. But I have been creating content behind the scenes that I've never posted before. And, you know, looking back, I'm like, whoa, the world needs to see this. Like, as I said, my boys have some of the biggest personalities I've ever seen. They're so smart, and I felt I was doing the world a disservice by, you know, kind of keeping them to myself. So since then, I've actually started them out on their own content creation journey, because they see mommy vlogging every day. They see mommy creating fun videos. Of course, they want to join in. So they now have their own Instagram page. When they wanted a YouTube, I was like, let's take it in steps. So I gave them an IG page to create fun videos. They do like challenges, they do unboxings over there. They have their own thing going on. So now I feel more comfortable, you know, having them on my channel and just showing you what our bond is like, our daily lives, because that is just us. That's Shanice for you. You won't see me going all over the place. You won't see anything flashy here. What you see is just genuine, true, authentic content. And that's where I went wrong initially. But trust me, it's all a learning process. And you know, we learn from others sometimes. And sometimes we literally have to go through things on our own to learn from them. So that really was the whole issue. I just didn't feel like myself, and it just felt draining to come on here every day or every week to put out content that genuinely wasn't me. So that's a real reason I left YouTube, because I could not remain consistent in that aspect, because I could not keep on with that lifestyle, trust me. So the consistency, and then that kind of seeped into my mental as well. As I touched on depression earlier on, I was literally in a slump. So I literally had to step away and, you know, do some introspection, revamp myself, and now I'm here better. I'm in a better space, guys, and I just can't wait to take you guys along this journey. It feels so good to be back. You wouldn't even understand. I miss you guys so much. And while I've been over on the other side of TikTok, YouTube has always been my babe. This is where I started. This is where I had the courage to create my first video on YouTube and actually publish it. Like literally anxiety, you would not understand. And it kind of feels that way again, because I'm now coming back in the space. But I've come a far way, guys, trust me. But I'm happy to be back. So yeah, that's the real tea on why your girl had to dip. Okay, yeah.
So what can we expect from your channel going forward?
What's next for the channel? Well, if you haven't noticed already, there is a name change. So I am revamping my entire YouTube channel. So I changed my name from Couture Shanz to Shanice Jodian, because I felt like Couture Shanz did its time. It was basically me putting myself in a box of being a fashion designer, as the name suggests, couture. And I feel like now I have matured so much, I've grown so much, I've taken on so many other ventures, I've explored so many other facets of Shanice that it needed to be changed. So I'm going by Shanice Jodian now, which I think is a much more mature name. It represents me, it's my birth name, it's my God-given name. And while I didn't like the name growing up, I think now I am really, you know, honing my own as it relates to my personality and who I am. And I stand before you today a proud Shanice. There's so many Shanices in this world. I wanted to change my name at one point. So I think Shanice Jodian has a ring to it. Let me know what you think of the name change. And I hope people are still able to find me, because everybody knows me as Couture Shanz. But I am putting it out there that my content will find back all my loyal supporters from years ago. And I can't wait. I can't wait for this journey. What else to expect from the channel? Expect consistency. I am planning on posting weekly vlogs, sit down videos, you name it. I am back, and I'm back in full force. It's not always easy to push out videos on a consistent basis, and you know, want to avoid burnout over here. Please bear with me as I slowly ease back into this space. Like, it was even so weird to be filming horizontally, guys. I almost put my phone up like this, trust me. Portrait mode was my bestie. So now I'm back in landscape. I love this, the amount of space that landscape gives me. Chef's kiss. Okay, also expect to learn more over here, guys. Expect Shanice to impart as much knowledge as I can. I've been doing so many research behind the scenes. I've been exploring so many different things, from new business ventures to new facets of content creation to working with brands, marketing. Guys, I've been all over the place, and I plan to share my knowledge because I am a teacher at heart. I'm always down to learning new things and sharing all that I've I've learned with my community. And personally, I'm just looking to grow my community and just share my life experiences with you all, growing in life, growing in motherhood, entrepreneurship, growing in faith. And that's going to be a big part of my channel as well, because as I mentioned, my faith has been tested so many times. I literally have so many testimonies to share with you guys in hopes of, you know, just being relatable and showing you that, listen, we all go through challenges in this life. You're not alone. Someone is out there who has been through it. People are out there who will go through it with you. You're not alone. And we just need to support each other in that sense. And I feel like this community has done so much in supporting me and supporting my dreams that I can only hope to give back as much and pour into you guys as well. Because I know you take the time out of your day to view my channel and just watch my content, consume my content. And I want it to be content that is effective. I want it to be content that you don't just watch and you forget about it. I want to leave something with you. When you come over my channel, I want you to leave with something valuable. I want you to leave with a little motivation. I want your day to be a little bit brighter when you see Shanice on your phone screens. And I'm just looking forward to a fun experience, guys. That is it.
Final question. Are you doing Vlogmas this year?
That's a tricky one. But the answer is yes. Yes, your girl will be doing Vlogmas this year. I've always wanted to do Vlogmas, guys. If you know me, you know I live for the daily vlogging, and it might seem a little bit, you know, hectic, a little bit much, but I am down for the challenge. And I feel like I got the calling back to YouTube at the perfect time at the end of the year, where I could jump straight into Vlogmas. So yes, your girl is doing Vlogmas. And guys, I'm gonna be a little bit honest. I have not felt the Christmas spirit in years. The last time I think was, I was probably in high school, to show you how long ago. And I don't know, but this year just felt so different. This year feels like I am, you know, when you're anticipating your package in the mail and you just feel happy, like you're just itching to get it. I feel like I am anticipating a blessing this year. This 2024 is going to be so wonderful, and I've been feeling the Christmas spirit from November. So this year I've tasked myself with holiday cheer. I've been spreading the holiday cheer and just celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. So I am definitely jumping into all of the Christmas festivities this year, from baking to decorating, you name it, your girl will be doing it. Okay, I want you to stay tuned for that Vlogmas series, and who knows, maybe we'll have a little razzle dazzle, throwing a little giveaways. You never know what Shanice has up her sleeves. So just stay tuned for that. But yes, I'm so excited. Feel free to leave in the comments content or Vlogmas content that you would like to see from me this year, and I'll definitely implement it in my videos. So yeah, Vlogmas. I don't know. I'm feeling the Christmas spirit this year. I'm not gonna lie. Not going to lie. Okay guys, that's it for this little reintroduction video. I hope you were pleasantly surprised to see your girl back on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this video, which you did, right, go ahead and leave a like down below. Comment and let me know if you're happy that your girl is back. Did you miss me? Because I miss you guys so much. And most importantly, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. And I'll see you all for Vlogmas on December the 1st. Yeah, be here or be squared. Okay, I expect to see you guys bright and early. All right, bye.